Alright, this is like the only part of Ikea you need to go to, and that is the weird food section. So they've got a little bit of everything, like snack crackers, frozen stuff, and they have like really weird flavored jams and spreads, and just like crackers and things you're never going to find anywhere else. And like hops and malt flavored carbonated drink, which I'm tempted to, which I'm tempted to try, but I know is going to taste like crap. That they served in the restaurant, that was pretty decent. Like elderflower drink syrups and like cloudberry spread. You know, it's just stuff you're not going to find anywhere else. So it's definitely fun to pick out a few items because they're not very expensive. Definitely come here, pick out a few items, and give them a taste. Kind of fun. They definitely have unusual items. They do have reasonably good chocolate. I will say that. If you have kids, I'm sure this is like really fun for them to just get a bunch of random crap. Now they used to sell years ago fish eggs. Oh. They have marinated herring with onions, dill, and allspice. Oh yeah, this is it. Oh, this is it. They've been making this stuff forever. It's fish eggs paste. Yeah, it's smoky fish egg, creamed smoked fish roe. And they have more fish eggs. Which, if you like caviar, you'll probably like that. If you like anchovies, you'll probably like it. If you don't like any of those two items, you will despise that. And you shouldn't get it. Oh, absolute nut house in here. But yeah, that's fun. That's the only thing you should get in here. Don't buy any of the other trash. It's all complete trash. Oh yeah, and they want to feed you like non-meat hot dogs and non-meat items, so they've already gotten on board that whole vegan train where half the stuff in here that looks like meat doesn't have any meat in it. So if you like that sort of thing, definitely come here. If you don't like that sort of thing, I can't really recommend it.